In this video, I will show you how to switch private account on Instagram. This is pretty simple and easy. This is my Instagram account. So what you have to do is you need to go to the on the bottom side in the more section. Click on that and you need to click on the setting after that. And after that you need to go to the account privacy. And here you need to click on the private account slider to the right side. When you click on the right side, the Instagram will ask permission to switch to the private account. So you need to click on the switch to private account. So when you click on this switch to private, your account will be private. So no one can see your post or reels. So far my account is public, so I don't want to make it to the private. So this is the way you can switch your account to the private. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.